This video will show you how to fix the Rainbow Six Siege Uplay Ubisoft deactivation code problem. So first is that you need to make sure you're logged in into your correct Ubisoft account, the one you're using when you first activated the game. If you bought the game on Steam or Epic, it links to your Ubisoft account automatically, so no need to enter a separate code just to launch it from the same platform. If you're getting an error that your activation code is already in use, that usually means that the game is already linked to your Ubisoft account. You should check your Ubisoft library. If the game isn't showing up, then you should go to your Ubisoft, connect, settings, then go to your account linking to make sure your Steam or Epic account is linked properly. And if you're still having problems, then you should now contact the higher ups of the Ubisoft support.